This is the video recording of actually two items. One is the topographic ruggedness index. This will be our first aim to identify this issue, the topographic ruggedness index. First of all, I am correcting the spelling. Okay, so what is the meaning of the topographic ruggedness index? I think topography term means it is the landform. Ruggedness means it is the undulations in the topography, and index means without any kind of the unit, we are just identifying the characteristics of the landform. So, what is the topographic ruggedness index? Suppose we are considering this. There is a landform, right? Now, what will be the flow characteristics of water? What will be the flow characteristics of water within a particular pixel? Suppose we are considering a pixel. This is a pixel. What is the flow characteristics of the water within that pixel? On the basis of that, we actually calculate the topographic ruggedness index. So what is the meaning of the ruggedness index? It means what is the undulations characteristics of the topography that is promoting the runoff characteristics, right? What is the actually what is the undulations within the topography we are getting that is promoting the runoff? It means within a particular unit of time, within a particular unit of time, unit in area, unit of time and unit of area, within a particular unit of time and unit of area, how much water is moving from this portion to this portion. It means from the starting point of the pixel to the finishing point of the pixel. It is the meaning of the topographic ruggedness index. And what is the meaning of the topographic wetness index? It means after the passage of all this water, how much water is actually contained by this particular pixel. It is the meaning of the topographic wetness index. However, our first aim is to identify the topographic ruggedness index. Now, whenever we will try to calculate the topographic ruggedness index, the formula is basically mean minus minimum divided by maximum minus minimum, right? This is the formula for calculation of the topographic ruggedness index. But the most important thing is that why we are just using this formula to calculate this topographic ruggedness index. uh, Actually, we are making a balance. What kind of balance? What kind of balance is that? The balance is that if we are using the mean value, it means suppose this is the average value, this is the average value, this is the average value, and suppose this is the minimum value, and this is the maximum value. And we are using this mean value, minimum value, and maximum value. These are the three important things which we should get from this calculation of the topographic ruggedness index. So this condition actually applies. What is the uh, undulations of topography from the maximum up to the minimum level? It is indicating this one. Okay. And the flow characteristics of the water will never fall down below the minimum level and above the maximum level. The water level will never fall below this level. It is the another outcome of the topographic ruggedness index. So I hope these three things are clear. One is the average value, this one is the average value, we are using the maximum values, and we are using the minimum values. It means the entire topographic variation will generally visible within that particular limit. Now, if this is our Balason River basin, the highest elevation is 2610, lowest elevation is 112. It means the entire elevation will vary in between 2610, whatever the highest elevation is, and the lowest elevation, suppose 112. So the entire elevation will vary in between this 2610 and 112, this entire elevation will vary, and the flow regime and the flow characteristics of the water will never fall down below 112 and above 2610. There is another outcome of this research of topographic ruggedness index. And after the passage of the water, and if you presume that all the waters have flown to the other areas, now under that circumstances, what is the amount of moisture is actually contained by any particular pixel. Suppose this is a pixel, and the water